Mr. Speaker, Deputy Speaker, Your Grace, Your Royal Majesty, Imperial Majesty, or Royal Majesty, His Majesty, Randy Bedine, Your Grace, the Graces, no what to wine, this who kind in Ekenemono, and distinguished senators, distinguished former minister, then our security chiefs. They are here in working very hard, taking all the risks on our behalf. We thank you. They're not celebrated enough, but we remain very grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Our traditional rulers, they need and our youths, the wine, or Hanese Bialeba, Ekenemon. Even could we pose over one a talk. Can go back and he can only need no what he get Apple or Megan or that. Honorable even in order to get metata. And this year, all Nyaka sent the Rosia, Manus were that. Oh, Macaniva, the Umakia, Bona Anambra, Nanibo, Nigeria, Malon or Dano. Okay? Anuba, just a mechanism. I even know to do a by for an underwater calendar. As a monolith, don't. Down, none. When the evening are bad, even in the political bad, Anambra Garden. Udo, Nagamiru, Agarden Anambra. Eunanya Father Bloche, Deputy Governor Gano. I tell Ogotata, Omo will I know lawful. I now bumble. I now roll on I tell you, Cotanina, buy look iPhone where whole streets, man, Mother said, Dodger, the Maipanina, .8 where coaches Evanina, what that was here. Mananda coaches, so I premier where not about on the Anambra must be clean, Anambra must progress, Anambra must grow. So, if he is in Pekene, he can only be. Can the joint body in particular? Matano Kenada Mono, they rose up to the occasion. When they line on the Kamada for way to the end, the election Anambra November 6. Anya Sini never mono. Where man or man, another funny, Chineke no like no their efforts, and even they own deliver. But where the joint body of the traditional rulers and the clergy, that's the society. Wow. Everybody of time on the Nabo, the Maggie like that all the vote, 4 years later. There, I know soldier come, soldier. And our barracks. What? Soldier come, soldier go, barracks will remain. On their barracks, offer me, they do not. And make an effort. When they can ever, in particular for this joint statement, the joint statement, we will get to even in Ago. I want, as government of Anambra, that the joint body of bishops and traditional rulers in the southeast will agree never agopota. When I say I need an eba need to chicotia, I need an eba or when you never agopota. When I for the roadmap to the next step, now when you can get no one. You don't know. I dunyalo mana okro likane dunyalo onye dunyalo eze o bome why inanya n'ife ituzie kedu ife with the next steps. I think the fundamental point they make but no way can Nigeria swear insecurity across on an equal. Oh, Guzulum Bono. Oh, no, I'm going to play now, my trade, my family. Hey, to accord the Ebeline. Manayo gases because all the end to a bag the bona buying. Well, Opera guy said that Anambra in particular, the spirit of Anambra, our ritual. That can be a young Anambra, or one Anambra, Noibana Agala. That's a Makandi Anambra. Anambra for Anambra Nanya. Ndị Anambra da anọkọta kwafuwa ọbara. Maneru Chineke as Christians is forbidden. Mana omenani katebe Chukwu abịama. Chukwu abịama mana na fanta edokwuru gịnị ịkwafu ọbara. It's not us. Well, o nwere ụdị iwe a ga-akpasu oge ga-apụta ibulu egbe gwa nwanne gị. Onwere from Maggie. Ọkụkọ ga-arapụ nwa bulie gatụ kebele itoolu. Maka anya bụ ife anyị na-emezikwanụ. Ọ nwere ebe anyị na-ekwu okwu na ife anyị na-emezi in the name of agitation. Bụ na ọ dịka onye mmadụ kpasuru iwe n'Enugu. Ọgọrụ moto bụ gbanata na Anambra na Ana village. Okoro family a lot of ops for onye ga-edi nyo onye ga-abụ abụ ebe maka iji wee na akpasuru iwe n'Enugu. Meanwhile onye kpasuru iwe amara dị nwe ebe a. Ọ bụ na ndị na-ekwu that's what it has become and mgbe anyị ga-enechi anya ese ebe ka anyị na-eje. Another revival. It's time to engage differently. It is time to engage seriously. For me, the engagement I need is that we engage with the good, the bad, and the ugly. All the groups, we must engage them. We can no longer discriminate. We have to clap with two hands. When I discuss within the security, they have taught me, and I've learned something big from the security officers. As approaches can be divided into two, kinetic and non-kinetic. Well, am I speaking it? Am I getting it right? You know, I've gone through a crash program from you people. Kinetic and non-kinetic approaches. And the conclusion for Nigeria is that law enforcement as a strategy is tantamount to maybe 50% of the approach. The other non-kinetic, that is non-force, the others, which I call engagement, will be the other 50%. Even more in the present circumstances I know. And in engaging the people, we don't discriminate. We will engage the good, the bad, and the ugly. Miapolona will get to the solution. At this time around, we are open to engage and consult with everybody. We need peace and security in our land. We cannot do the same thing over and over and expect a different result. We're now determined to do it differently. And from the communique issued, the next steps are as follows. Number one, announcement and not bishops. Another communicate Agogidi Bumakia, issue this morning. No can in I gave my announcement all the town unions, all the organs, there should be an announcement, town criers, that on Monday we should all troop out and go to our respective churches. 11 o'clock, the bell will ring all over Anambra and all over Igbo land to signal a change for the prayer for our homeland and for Nigeria to begin. Occupy whoever. That's number one. So, on Monday then, 11 o'clock, maybe possibly Zoom, maybe on I get here. And if we can communicate, I will adopt. But after the prayer that will start by 11, that will mark the official end of the Monday date at home. Prepare the labor. Part of it also, which will come in. I Monday, our leaders, I support the position of the joint body, and I will work seriously with the joint body, and hopefully also with my governors in the southeast, and indeed any and every Nigerian. Those who are open will consult the federal government, the security agencies, everybody will work in this together. We will work very hard to ensure that reason prevails, that Njenje Kanu receives expeditious justice. Expeditious justice. Prosecute him and let's see, and let's go to the court and then have it expeditiously dealt with. Justice delayed. So, we will continue to work on that track. But the second one was now even the IPOB, but the organization Yaman Elite, has said that the sit at home that was initially called by it no longer makes sense and that they should be stopped. They have said it last year. They repeated it, and yesterday they now issued a very forceful statement and supporting our position, reiterating their earlier position and supporting, stating it clearly that they support us in the movement that we should end the Monday sit at home. In essence, in other words, my joint body, my IPOB, my everybody, we've come to a conclusion. Now they sit at home, Monday sit at home, it's not the best way, it's not the way to protest. It achieves nothing. Now you can't on any way they protest, or they cutting off his nose to spite his face. Or a joint protest, like I said, Marabasoli when I know in Abel, drilling in Abel in Anambra. What, bro? In a protest against marginalization. As a way to protest marginalization. Will in future grow up to be further marginalized. So keep a turning to start marginalizing yourself. Let me have the other microphone. I want to have the two of them. So we have agreed. Now while we are working on the release of Njenje Kanu, the issue of sit at home should be over. Now that IPOB says they are not part of it, we're also charging on them to join forces with us to ensure that any other person trying to enforce the sit at home He's a criminal. Anybody now from now onwards trying to stop people from going to work of our traders, the petty traders, the Okada riders, the keke driver, the for organizers and so on and so forth. But the family now suffer. They sit at home. Our children, Pabelo, they now boss afia. So, they interested in Ani Igbo, so when does the Ani Igbo, vice versa, which is another outcome of this communication. Now we will soon, in the next few days, announce the centers, the respective registration centers. Chegaliko no sen kwete na okoro igwe ebe ga ga-eji wee gbatịa ma ndị agboro ndị na-eji na ọyịba akaba ga-eji wee tite mmadụ ibe. We will provide registration centers, budgeted afafa. We will give them training of all sorts to rehabilitate them and also provide them with resources that can back to society and contribute to the development. I am going to we must offer them something for them to come and be part of the new society I now.